In this video, we are going to learn a very important expression. This video is relevant for everyone who's learning French. The text which you can see in this video is from your HSC 11th standard textbook, Rencontre, chapter number 3, Grammar. Now, what is the expression? By expression, I mean a phrase. What is the phrase? Il y a. 3 words. Il, y, and a. These are 3 different words. Okay. Il y a. Il y a. Okay. Il y a. Now, the meaning is there is or there are. For both singular as well as plural, we use il y a only. Okay. Il y a. Il y a. Il y a. Okay. The meaning is there is or there are. In the affirmative form, il y a means this is or these are. Affirmative means positive form. Positive means not negative. Okay. Example, il y a un chat gris, meaning there is a grey cat. For plural also we use il y a only. Il y a des chats gris. Everything is plural. Des chats and gris. There are grey cats. Now, what is the interrogative form? Interrogative means are there or is there? Okay. So, we invert it. We interchange the position of the words in the phrase il y a. Yatil, y, a, and il, but we add hyphen t in between. It is difficult to pronounce, so just for the ease of pronunciation, this has been introduced in writing also, that we add a t. It would have been yail, y, a, and il. It is funny, it is weird. So, for the ease of pronunciation and for the ease of communication, we add when two vowels are clashing. A and I would have clashed, okay? So, we are adding hyphen T in between. This is what? Yatil. Yatil means is there, are there, okay? Example, Yatil a cafe ici? Is there a cafe here? Or Yatil de cafe ici? Are there cafes here? Ici means here. A cafe means a cafe. Masculine form. Start making a list of the words which you do not know. Take the last page of your notebook. Make list of the words which you do not know along with the gender. Is cafe masculine or feminine? So on. The next part. Negative form. Negative form means there is no or there are no. Okay. How do we form it? Il n'y a pas. Il n'y a pas. Il n'y a pas de. It should have been il, ne, ne. For making anything negative in French, we use what? Ne, then verb, then pas, P-A-S, pas. We do not pronounce the last consonant in French, so I am pronouncing it as pas, P-A-S. Okay. So, but Y takes the sound of a vowel, no? So, Y takes the sound of a vowel. So, N-E and Y would have clash. So, it is il n'y a pas means there is no or there are no. Example, il n'y a pas d'étudiant dans la classe. There is no student in the class. Il n'y a pas de. And it should have been de, but étudiant, e would have clashed. So, it is d apostrophe. Il n'y a pas d'étudiant dans la classe. Il n'y a pas d'étudiant dans la classe. For plural also, it is il n'y a pas de only. Even if étudiant is plural, still it is il n'y a pas d'étudiant dans la classe. I hope this expression is clear, this phrase is clear. There are 3 types, affirmative il y a, interrogative yatil, and negative il n'y a pas de. Okay, see you in my next video. Do let me know in the comment section how do you find this video. Bye bye.